Go on, then. Don't keep us in suspense.
I just killed Scarface.
Scarface is dead. Ada killed him.
Ada killed Scarface!
The news brought joy to all of us in White Deer Park, even though Fox and I were deeply saddened by the death of our son, Bold. It was time to make a fresh start.
Do you still want Charmer to be your mate? Then who am I to stand in your way? Perhaps your union will bring peace to both our families. A new beginning for all of us.
Ah, spring at last. What a beautiful day it shall be today.
Oh, I say, sorry to disturb you, White Stag.
Boy, son.
I say, oh, no. No. I must tell Fox. Oh, dear. Oh, dear me.
Is anything broken?
The great White Stag in the water. Dead. Oh.
Don't worry. I'm your friend. Yes, I saw the whole thing. Right out of the sky you fell. Are you alive? What can I do to help? Oh, hello.
You're a badger.
Yes, always have been. Does everything flap and bend properly?
Must tell Fox.
Fox? You don't mean the famous Fox who came from Farthing Wood, where the animals made an oath to care for each other?
Yes, that's us.
I'm Shadow. I knew Fox's son, Bold. He was one of you.
Bold. Yes, poor Bold. Perhaps we can talk again, but I really must tell Fox.
Goodbye, feathered friend. I've lots of friends. Slimy friends, scaly friends, friends that woof, friends that squeak. But come to think of it, no badger friends.
I'll be your friend.
Oh, you're so kind. I knew the moment I set eyes on you. She's kind, I thought.
Here, look what I found.
Oh, look at that.
Who am I?
Bully.
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 And don't you forget it.
Forget what?
Who am I? Well,
Bully.
and don't you forget it. That's what. Here, look what I found.
Here, I saw it first.
Who am I?
Bully.
Well, lads, the great white stag itself, stone dead. What a piece of luck for us, eh? What did we come here for, eh, brat?
Here. What do we come? Oh, that's an easy one. We come to take over White Deer Park.
Right, and whose patch was White Deer Park?
Eh? It was his patch. Him. There.
And now he's stone dead. So what's going to stop us making it our patch from now on? And who's going to stop us, eh? Who am I?
A boy.
Lovely morning for a race, Dashy.
Not again. I always win.
I know you always win, but I feel extra special fast today. To the gorse bush.
And back again.
You're on. Come on, Plucky.
He'll never outrun that hare.
Yes, he will. He's my grandson, isn't he?
Come on, Plucky.
Once upon a time, I was the fastest fox of them all. Now, out of all the foxes in White Deer Park, I'm the slowest.
If it wasn't for you, Fox, there would be no red foxes left alive in White Deer Park to race hares on a spring morning. Not to mention all the other animals. You've saved us all from one thing or another so many times.
Come on! Come on! Hooray!
I suppose you're right, Vixen. Yes. After all the troubles we've had in the past, this spring is full of hope and new life. This will be our best, our happiest year ever. But I do wish it was me down there. He's winning.
Come on, Dash. Race!
Come on, Plucky!
Come on, Dash! Come on, Plucky!
You're gorgeous. 144. You're gorgeous. 145.
If you don't shut up, I'll... Oh!
Is it something I've said?
Twerp!
Something I've done?
Twerp, twerp, twerp!
Something I haven't done?
Come on, Plucky!
I wish I'd never set eyes on you. What did I need a mate for anyway? Look what you've done to me! I win again. I'm the fastest.
Oh, stupid weasel! I was winning! For the first time ever, I was winning! Oh,
Weasel, are you all right? Speak to me, Weasel.
oh, Weasel, what a pest you are! Congratulations, Dash. Well tried, Plucky. Better luck next time, eh? I would have won! Oh, Weasel!
You're all the same, you foxes.
Oi!
And you. You blame me for everything, don't they, Measley? You'd think I'd get some sympathy, some consideration. After all, in my condition...
Condition?
Condition?
Weasel, are you? She is. Congratulations, Weasel.
Hold on, mateys. This means more weasels, hmm? Oh, dear.
It is no laughing matter.
Condition? She's not. Oh, no!
I am a with weasel.
Oh! Oh, you're gorgeous!
Oh, get off!
Oi!
Fox! Vixen! I came as quickly as I could.
What on earth's the matter, Whistler?
It's the great white stag. He's dead. He was drinking in the stream. Poisoned, I think. He just dropped dead. Oh, no.
He was a fine friend to us all. Our protector.
Owl, it's the great white stag.
You don't have to tell me. I've seen for myself. Dreadful shame, of course. But what I want to know is, which stag is going to take his place?
Owl's got a point. The biggest stag in the herd is a right thuggish monster.
Trey, he's called.
He'll not protect us the way our old friend did.
Trey. I know him. Yes, he's the likeliest candidate. He's huge, and he's always charging about in a bad temper.
Well, Fox, what are you going to do about it? I demand to know. We were all safe when the great white stag was in charge of the park. Now we'll all be trampled to death by a thuggish monster. I need to be protected. Go on, Measly, make him do something about it.
Hello, folks.
Weasel, do stop being such a ninny. Perhaps this bad-tempered bully stag won't take the great white stag's place after all. You always make such a fuss.
You'd make a fuss if you had little ones to worry about. I'll have you know I am in a delicate condition.
Dearie me, that will mean more weasels. Twice the fuss and bother. Ugh!
What a cheek you've got, sitting up there all hoity-toity, insulting my little ones when they aren't even born yet.
I was merely saying...
You can say what you like, but you haven't got a mate, have you? Look, I've got a mate, a big, strong, brave weasel. He's gorgeous.
Oh, she loves me. I'm gorgeous, and she loves me.
And everyone else has a mate.
I know I have.
Everyone except you.
Weasel's got a point, Owl.
Well, I've often thought of taking a mate, but I've never found the right owl.
You mean that every owl you've ever met has flown off in the opposite direction double quick?
No, it's not like that at all.
Don't be upset, Owl. It's only Weasel talking.
Some creatures, you see, are just not up to family life. They don't have a warm heart, you see, and a loving disposition. Isn't that right, Measly?
Oh, you do care. You do.
It's not your fault, Owl. You're just made that way. Can't blame you if nobody wants a mate without a loving disposition.
Oh!
Hello.
Hello there. Hello.
Morning.
Who am I?
I don't think we've met, have we? I'm Mossy.
Oh, howdy do. I'm Bully, that's who I am. Leader of the pack, as it were. Spike, my dear chap, do you want to kill him, or shall I?
She loves me.
I'll kill it myself. Who am I?
What did she say I was? She said I was gorgeous. She said I was big, strong, and... She said I was brave. I'm not, am I? Please don't kill me. Yes, I am. She said I was, and I am.
Cool, it's a wheeze.
It's a weasel. A weasel!
Mossy, what happened?
Rats. Big, nasty rats. I was done for. He saved me.
We heard you cry for help.
We would have been too late.
Yeah, well done, Measley. I had no idea you were so brave.
I am very brave. That one was the littlest, wasn't it? The others are much huger. As huge as badgers.
Ooh, huger. Much huger.
Huger than badgers. Oh!
What a hero.
I'll think of weasels differently after this. Are you all right, Measley?
Yes. Thank you. Oh.
My hero.
It came from nowhere. Last thing I expected. A wee.
Hey, weasel!
Huh? What? Where?
It's all right. It's not coming.
Oh, no chance for us around here, mates. Not with such a vicious weasel about. Everybody quiet. Something's coming.
I don't know. What a dreadful day. Oh, and Weasel's right, of course. I don't have a mate. Very funny, I'm sure.
Yoo-hoo! Ow!
And what do you want?
Just thought I'd say, I think it's horrible the way they treated you this morning.
I've had enough. I'm leaving. Flying away to pastures new. I have, in fact, don't tell anyone, will you, been thinking of taking a mate.
I had no idea.
I tried to mention it this morning, but no one would listen. I do have a warm heart, you know.
Oh, I'm sure.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, Al. Bye-bye.
You're not...
I am Trey. Never have I heard such a terrible noise.
Oh, terribly sorry, I'm sure. I was calling for my mate.
Chloe! Measley! Measley! Oh, there you are, Measley.
If I hear you again, once, ever, I shall stamp on you. I don't like weasels.
Pity for you, I'm sure.
I don't like the noise they make. Weasels are nuisance makers. This is my park, so no noise, no nuisance. Better for you if I never see you again.
Actually, my wife's in a delicate condition.
More weasels?
Did they wake you?
If you must know, yes.
Troublesome things, weasels.
Yes.
I'm sinuous.
So am I.
No. It's my name. Sinuous.
Very apt, I'm sure.
Oh, mateys, springs in the air, I see.
Yes. And isn't it the toad he
mating season, sinuous.
That's not very friendly, matey. What about the oath?
Sinuous.
And me in my condition.
Snorting at us, stamping on us.
Something's got to be done.
We can't help making a noise. We're weasels.
You can't allow a monster like that to take over the park. You've got to deal with him, Fox.
Yeah?
What are you going to do?
Yeah?
Weasel, Measley, do be quiet. Be quiet. Listen to yourselves. It's all your own fault. I've never heard such a dreadful noise. It's no wonder Trey lost his temper with you. Who wouldn't?
But Fox, you are going to do something.
I'm on Trey's side, I'm sorry to say.
But he said...
He was just irritated by you, that's all. I'm irritated with you myself.
Well, this is the last straw. I'm not going to stay around here and be stamped to death. Not in my condition.
Weasel, where are you going?
Away from White Deer Park.
Wait for me.
Forever.
Forever? Oh.
But Weasel! Her little ones. Here they'd be protected by the oath of Farthing Wood. Outside the park, there'll be no one to help them. Weasel!
Don't worry, they'll be back. Tomorrow morning at the latest.
I'm not so sure.
Oh, do hurry up, Measley. I'm going to find somewhere to live where my little ones can make as much noise and nuisance as they like.
But where?
Come on! Oh, you stupid weasel, you really are.
What do you think you're doing? Leaving White Deer Park is unheard of. Stop me, Weasel. I'm very nervous about this.
Why on earth do you do as you're told? Just follow me and shut up.
It's that Weasel and his mate. They gone. Gone! Yeah!
Gone.
Oh, am I? What a piece of good fortune, my handsome long tails. It's all ours now, this pretty park. Yours and mine. Mine and yours. Who am I?